Hey, Gatsby. What did you do? Gatsby? Do you think that's nice? Huh? Don't eat anything dirty. Gatsby? Shh. Look at mommy. Shh. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, you're so naughty. See, look at you. You look so guilty. What did you eat? What did you eat? Ay. Ay, shh, shh, shh. Look at mommy. You're so naughty boy. You're such a naughty boy, huh? Gatsby? You're naughty kasi. Huh? You're naughty kasi. Mommy's angry to you. Look at your ears. Look at your ears. Hmm? Ah, naughty kasi eh. Oh, you're so naughty, huh? You're such a naughty boy. Gatsby! Ayako! Gatsby, it's raining! Come on! Come on, Gatsby! Come on, Gatsby! It's raining! Let's go home! Is that your fastest? What happened to you, huh? Come on, faster! Faster, Gatsby! No! Nobody's there. Come on! Come on! Come on! Ay, ang kulit ng bata, ah. It's raining! Let's go home na, okay? Let's go. Gatsby! Gatsby! Kawaii, baby! Wala na, hindi na tumatakbo. Hi!
Gatsby.
Gatsby! Gatsby! Come on, baby! Gatsby! Gatsby, come on! Gatsby! Come on! Gatsby! Gatsby! Little boy! Ay, kulit. Nag-i-enjoy siya sa snow. Luko-luko. Ang kulit matulog ng asong to. Hey, Gatsby. Hey, Gatsby. Gatsby. Are you okay? Huh. Grabe naman yan. Laway mo. Gatsby. Hey, Gatsby. Bagong ligo yan. Bagong paligo ni Daddy. Mabango ulit ang Gatsby. Hi! Oh, what's that? What's that? Hey, Gatsby. Gatsby! Look! Look, Gatsby. Makati. Gatsby! Hi! How are you? What's that? What is it? What is it? Gatsby and Daisy. Ang dami nang nalaglag na bulaklak ng sakura. Ayan, nagsipaglaglagan na talaga sila. Ayan, puro mga bulaklak yung mga nasa ground. Ayan. Ayan yung sakura. Ang dami nang nalaglag. Hi! Gatsby and Daisy! Ang kulit ni Gatsby to, tumakbo. Hi, Gatsby! Ayan. Kumakain siya ngayon ng dog food. Wala siyang choice kundi kumain ng dog food kasi hindi pa ako nagluto ng pagkain niya. Mas gusto niya kasi yung mga veggies, yung carrots, patatas, kamote, tapos labanos, nilaga. Tapos lalagyan lang ng giniling. Mas gusto niya yun kasi yung dog food na to. Pero since gutom na yan, kaya yan, pagtsatsagaan niya yan. Wala na siyang mga ngipin, guys, kaya ang ginagawa niya, ganyan, lunok na lang. Matanda na rin kasi, 10 years old na siya. So, mga 77 years old na siya sa dog life. Ayan. Lunok lang. Kawawang aso. Mukha lang siyang tuta, guys, pero matanda na talaga to. Pero malakas pa rin siya. Hindi siya mukhang matanda sa age niya. So, yan. Kawawa. Kawawang aso. Walang ngipin. So, yun na guys. Salamat po sa panunood. God bless you. Gatsby ko. You had a haircut. He's so cute. He looks different.